Hi everyone. So today let's look at how I can directly send emails to people that I'm actually I'm doing a talk show, so that I have to invite couple people, but I really don't know whom to invite, right? So I just want to come to ATAPIC, chat with ATAPIC, and list them all the people who are interested for that particular talk show, and send them emails automatically. And I just don't want to take so much of stress. I just want to find them and send them emails very easily with only high intent, high value people, right? How I do that? So I just want to describe as: find me list of founders, CEOs in Pittsburgh who are interested to come who are interested to join my talk show. Boom. This is the only simple prompt I just gave to ATAPIC AI. Let's look at what actually happens right now. Boom. I just got like 42 leads, right? So, there are people who are interested to come to my talk show. And, I just simply add all these people, to my list. And, the greatest part is I got their emails as well. I haven't done anything. I just gave a very simple prompt, and I if I already have a sequence, I can enroll them into the sequence. And I can click on any other person and click on show intent, right? So they are engaged with content about leadership, so they are engaged with couple other things that I can see actually, right? So actively engages with founders, directors, other people. I can deep dive, I can look more about that particular person, more about that particular high intent lead. You see how I have added only high intent leads, only high, no medium, no low, only high. And what I can do, I can click on save. It will save to my CRM, my ATAPIC own CRM. Okay, but I don't want to save it right now because I can do it whatever I can, but I just want to give me, like, do a entire outreach for all the above leads, as asking them to come to my talk show event. And also I want to say, and also let's just invite them, right? Just one single click again, and we'll wait like not more than 60 seconds to 90 seconds. The entire sequence will be ready. We'll just wait for 60 seconds. You see that all these people, 42 leads, right? The system is automatically sending out emails. I just gave only two prompts. One is find them, and one is send them an emails, right? That's all I did. And also there is something here, notify me. So when I click on notify, it will automatically send me a mail. Okay, all your emails are ready. Then you can click on proceed, so that we can automatically send emails directly to all the people, right? So this is how we can, ATAPIC can directly streamline your high intent people and send them emails, whether if they are anywhere from the country. Because if we have, you see this campaigns generated, let me pull around, I click on review, boom, I have everything. I can click on select all, I can approve selected, send all the emails instantly, right? Great. That's really amazing. With only just two single prompts, I just wave, not even a line, right? So yeah, this is how you can also generate high intent people in front of you, the biggest thing is you can do lots of research here, where if the lead is interested or not, before reaching out to them, look at their digital footprints, look at their signals, look at their intent, deep dive, everything, right? So just follow me. Let me know if you need any questions. I can help you out in finding more people, and we can analyze, we can enrich, we can do all the things in a 50 minutes call. And yeah, happy to help you out. Thank you.